Hi Saggies, this is your reading for mid-March. Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter, this is for you. Saggies, please remember to take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Not every message is meant for everyone watching, like I always tell you all. Alright. Saggies, let's see what messages want to come through for you. Be in alignment. Set your intentions clearly. Feel the divine light that is present with us through this reading. Let's see. Saggies. Deep knowing. Unfinished symphony. Treasure Island. Alright, Saggies. You deeply know that you are yet to finish a cycle to find your treasure, find your person, your relationship, your perfect job. There is some more work to be done, and you are aware of it. A little bit more. Let's see. Sagittarius. Queen of Pentacles. I saw the World card as well, so thinking that too. Queen of Pentacles and the World for the overall energy of your reading. Queen of Wands, Two of Cups, Eight of Swords, Chariot, Six of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles, Four of Cups, Page of Wands, Eight of Pentacles. All right. So the overall energy for your reading, Saggies, is Queen of Pentacles and the World card. So there is a sense of completion, an ending which has come after you started taking care of yourself. You may have actually completed a cycle, knowing or unknowingly. You have let go of some pattern that you have been constantly following in your life, which is a great thing, Sagittarius. Because trust me, I know it takes courage and it feels like a struggle initially, but then it's like a sense of realization that you've had, or to release something. Maybe you were inviting the same kind of experiences in your life. In the recent past, you have the Queen of Wands, Two of Cups and Eight of Swords. Some sort of connection here that you may have nurtured, or you may have taken something that could have been, you were an inspiration to them and they were an inspiration to you, but something that possibly put you in your head a little with the Eight of Swords here. You may, maybe this is, whatever this is, it's over for some of you now. At least that sense of feeling tied up in your head is gone now. But yes, possibly an ending might have happened that put you in your head. In the current energies, you have the Chariot, Six of Pentacles and the Knight of Pentacles. You are there are two cards that show me that in fact all the three cards, the energy is freely flowing and it is flowing forward. It's as if there is somebody, or it's you, who's moving forward in your life. I don't know, it's moving on from this person or it's just you moving ahead with things in your life. Generally, it could be a work situation for some of you, but there is a sense of achievement and progress. In the immediate future, you have the Four of Cups, the Page of Wands and the Eight of Pentacles. There is a sense of releasing, freeing yourself up from the past cycles, freeing yourself up, and you're looking forward to newer things in life. Could be a new job, a new relationship, but yes, there is a sense of it's, and with the Knight of Pentacles here, I know it is work that is constantly being done. okay, it doesn't happen overnight. So there is a lot of work that you have put, whether it's a relationship. Just know that right now the energy for you is to take care of yourself, to nurture yourself, to be able to complete a cycle. Yes, there is a treasure that's awaiting you. With these cards, I don't get a sense that it is quite revealed to you yet. So you may not be knowing, or you may be thinking that something is over for the good and you are going to find something else. Let me clarify the Treasure Island for Sagittarius. Treasure Island. You get the Judgment card, Sagittarius. So definitely there is some sort of release. Once you release or ascend on your journey, you move forward, you progress. Judgment is again a soulmate's card. So yes, there could be a union possible. Yes, right now your focus has to be on yourself for the mid-month. Alright, Sagittarius, that's the message for you, my loves. Keep vibing high, you are going the right way. Keep moving forward. There is nothing that can hold any of us back. See you soon, Sagittarius. Bye-bye.